is from Wilbert's Hard to Find Music Library.
Maligaya itong mundo, dun sasapit ang Pasko. Ang isip ay nagugulo sa pagpili ng regalo. Kadalasan ay Christmas card ang regalo mo sa iyong mahal sa buhay. Yan ang kayang ialay. Maligayang Pasko, Happy New Year too. Maligayang Pasko, Happy New Year too. Christmas sa istidi mo kung wala kang regalo. Ang tanging ialay mo ay pag-ibig na di magbabago, kailanman laging maaasahan. Maligayang Pasko, Happy New Year too. Maligayang Pasko, Happy New Year too. Pag-ibig na di magbabago, kailanman laging maaasahan. Maligayang Pasko, Happy New Year too. 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 Maligayang Pasko.
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Hanggang pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo,
Hello little ones and playmates! My name is Angelo and I'm one of your hosts for today.
Hi everyone! My name is Yana. Have you ever wondered how some of our playmates manage to do it all? They excel in school, sports, and arts, and on top of that, they still have church duties.
I think I have an idea, Yana. It has a lot to do with being organized and managing their time well. That way, they can balance the things they need to do with the things they want to do, like playing and enjoying their hobbies.
That's great! And that's what we're going to learn about here on Little Ones Playlist!
Deep in the buzzing heart of Honeycomb City, B-Boy, a young busy bee, is anything but organized. His hive room is a sticky mess of pollen pellets, crumpled leaf notes, and toys.
Where's my math leaf? I need it for school. Maybe it's under my nectar sketchbook or inside my sock drawer.
B-Boy, the pollen buzz is living in 5 buzzes.
I can't find anything. My hive is a disaster.
B-Boy arrives at bee school, flustered and empty-winged. After class, Miss B floats over with a gentle buzz.
B-Boy, you're one of the most imaginative bees in the hive. But even the brightest bees need a solid plan to shine. Try using this pollen planner and maybe clean your hive a little each day.
Organizing? That sounds like work and a little boring.
It's not about being perfect. It's about making space for your brilliance to bloom.
That evening, B-Boy sets a timer on his honey watch and begins studying. He finds his math leaf, his overdue library scroll, and even the missing wing from his toy drone bee.
Whoa, I'm finding everything! This planner is actually kind of fun.
He writes in his planner, Tuesday, return scroll, finish nectar experiment, read a new book. B-Boy buzzes into class with a smile, his pollen pouch neat and his planner full.
Looking sharp, B-Boy. How's the organizing going?
It's like flying through clear skies. I have more time, less stress, and I even helped my little sister in her spelling buzzes.
B-Boy's hive still gets messy. He's a young busy bee after all, but now he knows how to tame the chaos. With his planner in hand, he's ready to soar.
Friday, invent a new bee superhero. Clean hive, practice pollen juggling.
And just like that, B-Boy the busy bee learned that organizing isn't about being perfect. It's about making room for greatness to buzz.
That was such a great story. It shows how being organized makes our lives easier.
Now, let's find out if our playmates in Little Ones Playlist know why organization is important.
Hey, Kuya Timmy, is everything alright? I forgot my lunchbox again. and my homework's still on the kitchen table.
I packed everything last night. My planner helped me remember everything I need. Want me to help you make one?
That'd be awesome. I'm tired of starting my day with panic.
Okay.
I did my science worksheet, but now I can't find it.
I put my homework in one folder, so this way I don't lose any important school papers.
I need one of those. Losing papers is the worst.
I have an extra one. You can have one.
Thank you, Hannah.
You're welcome, Matt.
I can find my toy.
I keep my toys in a box.
So for idea.
Wait, it's Ali's birthday today. I promised my cousin I'd go to his game.
Oh, that's why I write down all my plans. It helps me avoid mix-ups.
I should try that too. I hate missing out fun stuff because I forgot.
It's not fun when we miss out on something just because we didn't plan ahead. I wonder if having a planner might be a good idea after all.
We can start learning to use a planner as early as now. Having one is the first step. And that's what we'll do when Little Ones Playlist returns.
Walang tigil ang gulo sa aking pag-iisip. Mula nang tayo'y nagpasyang maghiwalay, nagpaalam pagkat hindi tayo bagay. Nakapagtataka, bakit ganito ang aking kapalaran? Di ba't ilang ulit ka nang nagpaalam, at bawat paalam ay puno ng iyakan? Nakapagtataka, nakapagtataka. Napahid ng mga luha, damdamin at puso'y tigang. Wala nang maibubuga, wala na akong maramdaman. Kung tunay tayong nagmamahalan, ba't di tayo magkasunduan? Walang tigil ang ulan, at nasaan ka araw? Na paano ng pag-ibig sa isa't isa? Wala na bang nananatiling pag-asa? Nakapagtataka, saan na napunta? Hindi ka ba napapagod? O di kaya nagsasawa sa ating mga tampuhan? Walang hanggang katapusan. Napagid ng mga luha, damdamin at puso'y tigang. Wala Ba't di tayo magkasunduan?
Sikapin din
mapagmahalan ng namin natin
at lahat tayo
ay dapat magdasal na mataimtim
nang tayo'y pagpalain.
O mga kasama, halina, halina,
mag-alay ng panalangin
at dalawin, halina, halina,
ang sanggol ng inang Birhen. Maghanda-handa
sa pagdiriwang nating gagawin
at sikapin din
mapagmahalan ng namin natin
at lahat tayo
ay dapat magdasal na mataimtim
nang tayo'y pagpalain.
O mga kasama, halina, halina,
mag-alay ng panalangin
at dalawin, halina, halina,
ang sanggol ng inang Birhen.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Cash. Cash who? No thanks. I'd prefer peanuts.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Nobel. Nobel who? There's no bell, that's why I knock.
Knock, knock. Who's there? I will say. I'll say who? You're right. I will say hood.
Hello little ones! It's storytelling time! Ang title ng ating story for today ay God's Children Are Prayerful o Ang Mga Anak ng Diyos ay Mapanalanginin. Ready na ba kayong makinig? Simulan na natin. Isang maaliwalas na Lunes ng umaga, sina Carl at Miguel ay ginising ng mga ibong tila umaawit. Pagkatapos ayusin ang kama at tupiin ang mga kumot, ang magkapatid ay nanalangin ng nakaluhod. Sa kanilang pananalangin, sila ay nagpuri at nagpasalamat sa Panginoong Diyos na kay buti at sa kanila ay nagpapala at nag-iingat lagi. At hiniling nila sa Kanya na sila ay samahang muli ngayon. Narinig nila ang anyaya ng mama nila. Handa na ang agahan. Halina kayong dalawa. Nasa hapag na ang kanilang mga magulang. Opo, kami ay pababa na po, mama. Pakihintay niyo po kami. Nang makita ni Carl ang sopas, ay bigla siyang natakam at napasandok ng isang kutsara. Carl, may nakalimutan ka yata, sabi ni Miguel na nakamasid sa kanya. Ay opo, una sa lahat ay panalangin ng pagpapasalamat. Umiti si Carl kay Miguel at sabay-sabay na nalangin ang mag-anak. Bago pumasok si Miguel sa paaralan, ay sumaglit siya sa kanyang silid upang manalangin. Mama, ano po ang idinadalangin ni Kuya Carl? Idinadalangin niya ang para sa mga pagsusulit niya ngayon. Nag-aral din siyang mabuti kagabi, tugon ng kanilang mama. Ngayon ay nananalangin siyang pagpalain at laging samahan ng Panginoong Diyos. Nang hapong ding iyon, sina Carl, David at Tomas ay masayang nagbibisikleta. Masaya silang pumidal ng mabilis at minsay mabagal. Hindi napansin ni Carl ang lubak sa kalsada. Nawalan siya ng kontrol hanggang sa siya'y bumagsak. Tinulungan ni na David at Tomas si Carl na makatayo. Naupo muna sila sa ilalim ng isang puno. Ayos ka lang ba? Tanong ni David. Halika't tingnan natin, dagdag ni Tomas. Sumugot si Carl, kumirot lang ng kaunti. Siguro dapat na tayong bumalik. At nagpasya ang magkakaibigan na umuwi sa kanilang mga tahanan. Nagpaalam na kay Carl sina David at Tomas. Magpahinga ka muna at manalangin. Maglaro na lang ulit tayo bukas. Nilinis ng mama niya ang sugat at siya'y nagpasalamat. Sa susunod po ay lalo akong mag-iingat. Mananalangin po ako ngayon sa Panginoong Diyos na pagalingin ako. Sa hapunan ay ikinuwento ni Carl sa papa at kuya niya ang kanyang naging karanasan. Nang una po ay mabilis ako. Pagkatapos ay naging marahan. Pero ako po ay natumba. Nais ko na po itong maiwasan. Sabi ng papa nila, tama ang ginawa mo na manalangin para gumaling. Kung ikaw ay may karamdaman, nag-aalala o natatakot, manalangin. Laging nakikinig ang Diyos sa atin, dagdag ng kanilang mama. Nang naghahanda na sa pagtulog ang magkapatid, hindi na mapakali si Carl dahil alam niyang magiging madilim na ang buong kwarto. At nang patayin na ni Miguel ang ilaw, sinabi niya, Carl, kapag natatakot ka, ano nga ang dapat gawin? Ama na aming Diyos, pinupuri at sinasamba namin ang iyong napakabanal na pangalan. Salamat po sa pag-iingat mo po sa aming lahat sa araw na ito. Nawa po ay ingatan mo po si Papa, si Mama, si Kuya Miguel at ako po sa aming pagtulog sa gabing ito. At patuloy mo po nawang ibiyaya sa aming muli ang panibagong araw para ikaw ay aming purihin at sambahin. Lahat po ng ito ay magalang po naming hiling sa pangalan ng Panginoong Hesukristo. Amen. Nagustuhan niyo ba ang ating story for today?
Opo!
Nakinig ba kayong mabuti?
Opo!
O sige, may tanong si Kuya. Question number 1. Ano yung palaging ginagawa ni Carl? Raise your hand kung alam niyo yung sagot. Okay, Matmat.
Nanalangin po.
Very good. Tama yun. Second question. Bakit mahalaga ang manalangin? Anyone know the answer? Okay, Ace?
Dahil kailangan natin ng tulong ng ating Panginoong Diyos po.
Very good. Little ones, remember, dapat tayong maging mapanalanginin para tulungan tayo ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Hanggang sa susunod nating storytelling, paalam!
Go!
little ones! Welcome to another episode of Activity Nyo! Today, we are going to do something that will help us stay organized and finish our task one by one.
Ooh, what are we making?
We are making our very own simple planner or to-do list. So first step, we're going to prepare our materials. Here's what we need. A sheet of paper or a small notebook or anything that you can write on. We also need pencils, pens, some crayons, markers, also some stickers for decorating later.
I've got mine ready.
Step 2. So we're going to get our paper. Ada, what color do you like?
I like
the white paper is fine?
Yes po.
Okay. Alright, so at the top of your paper, write today's date. That helps you remember when you made your list. So,
I made a semicolon.
Now we are going to divide the page. That's for step 3, okay? Draw 2 big sections. On the left side, we will write things I need to do. And on the right side, we will write things I want to do.
That's easy. 2 lists in 1 page so we can remember everything we need and want to do.
See it?
Just it.
So, maybe I'm going to use a different things I need to do. So divide the page into 2. You can fold it or you can put a line. Yeah. Something.
I'll go first. Oh.
What are things? Now our step 4, we will list our tasks. So let's start with things I need to do. So we will put it in this part. These are the important tasks, things you must finish today.
Like brushing my teeth and doing my homework?
Exactly. And here are some more examples. Brushing your teeth, fixing my bed, we will write it down. Finish my homework, help clean up my toys, or things that you need to do for school, like pack your school bags. Okay, so let's write them down.
Can I make little boxes?
Not yet. That's the last part.
Okay.
So you have to put space.
Okay.
Okay. And make sure that you put a little space here because we will put something else later. Okay,
how many should I write? 5?
Yeah.
And now for things I want to do. These are the fun things that you choose to do for yourself.
Like these. Read my favorite storybook, draw or color a picture, play outside or ride my bike, watch 1 episode of my favorite show, or sing and dance to my favorite song. Let's start. Step 5. Add checkboxes. Now, beside each task, draw a tiny square, your very own checkbox. Every time you finish the task, put a check mark.
It feels so good to check something off of your list, right? Let's try to make our check boxes.
I'll put little colors and make it silver.
And that's it! You've made your very own simple planner. Easy, colorful, and super helpful.
Make one every day so you can plan your tasks and your fun time too.
We hope you'll give it a try, little ones. Start with just a few tasks for today and don't forget to check them off when you're done. See you next time on Activity Nyo! Bye!
Panatag ang loob sa damdamin, ika'y mahal. Nung nakilala mo ang una mong sinta, umapaw ang saya at siya'y ibang-iba, sinasamsam ang bawat gunita. Simulang matuto kung paano magmahal, at di mo malimutan kung kailan mo natikman ang una mong halik, yakap na napakahigpit, pag-ibig na tunay hanggang langit. Kilala nang hindi sinasadya, ikaw lang ang napansin, nahuli sa isang tingin, at sa pagbati mong napakalambing. Hindi ko malimutan kung kailan nagsimulang matutong ikaw lang ang mahalin, at di ko malimutan kung kailan ko natikman ang tamis ng iyong halik, yakap na napakahigpit, pag-ibig mong tunay hanggang langit. Di ko malimutan kung kailan ko natikman ang tamis ng iyong halik, yakap na napakahigpit, pag-ibig mong tunay hanggang langit. Di ko malimutan kung kailan ko natikman ang tamis ng iyong halik, yakap na napakahigpit, pag-ibig mong tunay hanggang
Wala ka bang napapansin sa iyong mga kapaligiran? Kay dumi na ng hangin, pati na ang mga ilog natin. Hindi nga masama ang pag-unlad, at malayo-layo na rin ang ating narating. Ngunit masdan mo ang tubig sa dagat, dati kulay asul, ngayon'y naging itim. Ang mga duming ating kinalat sa hangin, sa langit, huwag na nating paabutin. Upang kung tayo'y pumanaw man sa riwang hangin, sa langit natin matitikman. Mayroon lang akong hinihiling, sa aking pagpanaw sana ay tag-ulan. Gitara ko ay aking dadalhin upang sa ulap na lang tayo magkantahan. Ngayon lang isinilang, may hangin pa kayang matitikman. May mga puno pa kaya silang aakyatin, may mga ilog pa kayang lalanguyan.
Bakit di natin pag-isipan ang nangyayari sa ating kapaligiran?
Hindi nga masamang pagunlad kung hindi nakakasira ng kalikasan. Darating ang panahon, mga ibong dala ay wala nang madadakuan. Masdan mo ang mga punong dati ay kay tatag, ngayon'y namamatay dahil sa ating kalokohan. Lahat ng bagay na narito sa lupa, biyayang galing sa Diyos kahit nung ika'y wala pa. Ingatan natin at huwag nang sirain pa, pagkat pag kanyang linawi tayo'y mawawala na.
Mayroon lang akong hinihiling, sa aking pagpanaw sana ay tag-ulan. Gitara ko ay aking dadalhin upang sa ulap na lang tayo magkantahan.
Hi little ones, I am Kuya Lloyd. Welcome to Easy Peasy, where we learn fun and simple things you can do all by yourself, because you can do it too. Today, I've got a special helper with me. Say hello to Jaya.
Hi little ones, hi Kuya Lloyd. I'm so excited to make something yummy today.
Can you guess what we're making today? It's something cold, sweet, and sour all at once.
Is it lemonade?
That's right. Today, we will learn how to make a lemonade. Here's what we need. 2 lemons, a glass of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and some ice cubes. Okay. First step, slice the lemons in half. Remember, ask a grown-up if you need to. Step number 2, squeeze the lemons into the glass. You can do it one by one. Use your 2 hands to squeeze one lemon at once. Very good. Now you're strong. Step number 3, add sugar and water with ice. You put some sugar. 1, 2, okay. Okay. Careful, it's okay. It's okay. You want more? All right. Okay. Lagyan natin siya muna. Step number 4, stir it all together. louder.
Smells so good.
Go ahead, take a sip.
So refreshing.
Did you know lemons have vitamin C, which helps keep our body strong and healthy?
That's why I love them.
And here's your easy peasy step. Mix it carefully to avoid spilling your lemonade. Making it is simple when you take your time and enjoy the process. Let's see if you can remember. What do we need to make a lemonade?
Lemons, water, sugar, and ice. Easy peasy.
That's right. Now you can make your own yummy lemonade at home.
Thanks for joining us today.
See you here again on Easy Peasy.
Bye.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Start your day with a plan. Before you play or study, take a moment to think about what you want to do. A simple list can help you stay on track.
Big tasks? Break them down. If something feels too hard or too long, split it into smaller steps. One step at a time makes everything easier and more fun.
Keep your things in their place. Whether it's your toys, books, or school supplies, putting things back where they belong saves time and keeps your space tidy. Just like B-Boy the Busy Bee, we can make our days super smooth by staying organized. Using a planner and jotting down lists help us get things done while still leaving time for fun.
Absolutely. When we know what to do, we feel so much more confident and relaxed. Even just writing things down can help.
So whether it's homework, chores, or hanging out with friends, let's strive to have plan and make every moment count.
And don't forget, little ones, stay tidy, be smart, and always be ready for anything. Continue to learn, have fun, and enjoy here on Little Ones Playlist!
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding. Kampana ng simbahan ay nanggigising na at waring nagsasabi na tayo'y magsimba. Magising at magbangon, tayo'y magsilakad at masiglang tunguhin ang ating simbahan. Ang kampana'y tuluyang nanggigising upang tayong lahat ay manalangin ang bendisyon. Kapag nakamtan na, tayo'y magkakaroon ng higit na pag-asa. Kinagis ng simbang gabi, huwag nating limutin, pagkat tayo'y may tungkulin sa pananalangin. Ang kampana ng simbahan ay nanggigising na, tayong lahat manalangin habang nagsisimba. Ang kampana'y tuluyang nanggigising upang tayong lahat ay manalangin ang bendisyon. Kapag nakamtan na, tayo'y
magkakaroon ng higit na pag-asa. Hinagis ng simbang gabi, huwag natin limutin, pagkat tayo'y may tutulong sa pananalangin. Ang kampana ng simbahan ay nagigising na, tayong lahat manalangin habang nagsisimba. Ang kampana'y tuluyang nanggigising upang tayong lahat ay manalangin. Ang bendisyon kapag nakamtan na, tayo'y magkakaroon ng higit na pag-asa. Kampana ng simbahan ay nanggigising na, at waring nagsasabi na tayo'y magsimba. Magising at magbangon, tayo'y magsilakad, at masiglang tunguhin ang ating simbahan. Ang kampana'y tuluyang nanggigising upang tayong lahat ay manalangin. Ang bendisyon kapag nakamtan na, tayo'y magkakaroon ng higit na pag-asa. Tayo'y magkakaroon